I'm Joe from PNY, and I'm here to show you how to install your new PNY PC memory on a laptop. Prior to purchase, make sure that you read your system's manual to make sure compatibility with the memory that you decide to purchase. To start, make sure that you touch a grounded metal surface. You want to do so that you remove any electrostatic discharge that's in your body. First thing we're going to do is remove the power supply. Then you'll remove your battery. Once you do that, you want to locate the PC memory compartment. Once you've located, begin to unscrew. Remove the compartment. You'll notice that the PC memory is held in place by two metal clips. Simply pull apart the metal clips, like so. You'll see that the memory springs upward. Pull it out at a 45-degree angle. And then take your new PNY PC memory. And notice that you'll see it has a notch. You have to line that notch up with the notch on the memory socket. Insert at a 45-degree angle. Apply a little bit of pressure to make sure that it's in completely, and push down until the module clips into place. Take your compartment, screw it back in, and you've successfully installed your new PNY PC memory. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please reach out to the PNY Tech Support team at pny.com/support.